how to create an invoice in Squarespace. I've just logged into my Squarespace dashboard here, and I've clicked on website, which has loaded up my Squarespace website. Now from the left hand side, we want to click on invoicing and then go to invoices here, and you will be able to see that there are no invoices, but we can create an invoice by clicking on this button. Now it's going to look like this. We can add a new client, we can select an existing client, but I'm going to add myself as a test. So then we will have to fill out their first name, their last name, and their email address, and then click on continue. And this will begin setting up the invoice. Now it's going to look like this here, and we can change the name. So invoice 4, and we can change the name here or what it says. So I am just going to do pay up, and the due date is, we can set the due date right here. So when is it expected, and also the memo here, we can change it. Thank you for your business. We can do thanks for shopping with us. And then I'm going to go back here. We can add order summary here. So we can add a line item. And for the styles, we can change the email address here or the email style. As you can see, the different buttons here. So we can pretty much completely customize what the invoice looks like right here. So we can go through the different sections. We can change the email background, the content background, the line background, the fonts, the header, the footer, the button. You can change all of this here, and basically you will set up your invoice. And then if you are satisfied with how it looks, then you will just click on send here, and this will send out the invoice to the person. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.